Today we are finally getting back on the Camaro project. 1980 Chevy Camaro, 383 stroker, ready to rock and roll. Let's get started, starting with the radiator.
Oh yeah, I just don't have gas.
So don't hit the gas. Good. Ooh. Good. Oh, that's not good.
What the fuck happened?
Stop there. Hey, no, we did. Good. Yeah, no, we're gonna have to check all that.
Check power to the plugs and everything.
Yeah, we're gonna have to check the power and spark plug. I mean, we're good. I mean.
Still waiting on the fuel.
Hold on a sec.
Is that going to allow air to push out of the system? Cool.
Go ahead. Hold on. What the fuck? Are we sure we have gas in this
Cabin air
thing?
filter. Cabin air. Here she goes. There's a little bit of fuel in it. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's coming. It's full now, yeah. Little bit of air. It's coming.
Tighten down the bleeders.
Oh.
I'm hoping to bleed the system.
I didn't find anything in like her old.
Shit.
I mean, the TSP numbers here.
One more time, baby.
That thing sounds tough.
Here comes the cam. So today is Mr. Connor's big engine startup reveal day. So, hi, Mr. Connor.
Hi.
She's here. She's ready to be started. My question is, where would you like to be standing when you hear it run? Or do you want to be the one to turn the key?
I want to be the one to turn the key.
You want to turn the key?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy, it's all yours.
What happens if we put these on the Camaro?
Huh? Yeah, that's not going to work. That is not going to fit on the Camaro, my friend. So sorry. Goofy guy. You don't even got to open the door. Close the door. Just reach across there and give her a slap. That, my friend, is not even the same car. Not even close. Way better than in the video, right? Hell yeah. Let it run for a minute. Pull your pin. Yes, sir, buddy. Let me tell you that Connor deserves every bit of this. We've been working on this now for what, about a year and a half? Listen to that cam, boy. Wah, 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 wah. That's a happy boy right there. Go ahead, shut her down. That's like twice of what this car used to be.
Oh, yeah.
So, it's exactly what you were looking for, isn't it?
Yeah.
All the noise, all the toys, and all the go, baby. That's going to be a minimum 400 horsepower. So, you're going to hit that. You're going to hit a little extra. So, a nice conclusion to a year and a half project and a whole lot of money.
Yeah.
Whole lot of money.
With a little bit more to come.
Yes, yes. Connor has definitely spent great money on this car. It's been a lot, but it's been patience. I watched him work his ass off to get this thing where it's at, and he deserves it. I mean, we're happy to see you get this thing done, man.
Yeah.
You know, Patrick is excited for you. Everybody's knows how hard you've been working on this thing, and it's definitely a monster.
Yeah.
So congratulations, bud.
Thank you.
Make you happy?
Hell yes.
It's like the culmination of everything that you've been working for. So we have the rear end ripped apart right now. All the gears are out. The 410s will be going in it. With this 4-speed, you're going to run out to 130 real nice. Like your gears are going to be a lot longer than a 410 gear setup would normally be because it's a 4-speed.
Right.
So you're going to really enjoy this car. Really enjoy it. So stay tuned for the test drive and the burnout. Let me go over a couple of things here with you. Okay, so normally for a build like this, we would recommend that we break the motor in.
Right.
Because you are not going to be as disciplined with breaking in the motor. Everything, motor, transmission, clutch, everything's brand spanking new.
Right.
You need 500 very, very gentle miles on this car.
Right.
Okay? So, recommendation is that we drive it back and forth to work until we get your 500 miles on it. It's up to you. No burnouts, no heavy revs, like just starting it up and putting. That's it.
Okay.
If you're going to do it. But like I said, we always recommend that we break a motor in because we're going to be patient with it.
Right.
And not try and smoke the tires off first run out. So,
Well, I mean, I'm not either. I care way too much about this.
okay. But, so the way this is going to work is it's got high zinc break-in oil.
All right.
Okay. 500 miles. You pull that out. We're going to do another 500 on regular, just plain oil. Connor can't help himself. He has to start it a second time before he leaves. Hurry up.
Yeah.
Look at that bitch rock.